Denver and Colorado have a number of food access challenges, and I think in 2001, the Department of Public Health came out with a study that said that 33% of Coloradans are food insecure and have limited access to food resources, and 16% of our youth in Colorado don't have access to healthy food on a day-to-day basis. We started working with Denver Botanic Gardens in 2014 and built the urban farm that's out here in Mariposa. In 2018 and 2019, we furthered our partnership and opened the Sun Valley Grow Garden over along the South Platte.
Denver Botanic Gardens partners with Denver Housing Authority to make these urban farms possible. We provide all of the plants, we provide the people to grow the food. Denver Housing Authority provides the space. The primary purpose of the urban farm here in Mariposa and at Sun Valley are to provide people with healthy, nutritious, locally grown and organically grown produce free of charge.
Oh no, if this community garden wasn't available in the fresh produce, I would have to go to the grocery store where everything at the grocery store is twice as much now, especially post-pandemic and such.
Another goal of the urban farms is to provide people with a space to actually learn how to grow their own food and to connect with each other.
Jason, the other Denver Botanic Garden staff here who gives the produce out, they actually build real relationships with the residents who come on a weekly basis.
Another goal is to grow food that is, of course, very nutritious, but also food that's culturally relevant and food that people really want to eat. Every year, we supply approximately 5,000 pounds of organically grown food directly to the communities of Sun Valley and Lincoln Park through the urban farms, and that's on only a quarter acre of land. At the community garden in Congress Park, members who have extra produce bring that excess produce to Same Cafe as a free in-kind donation.
The mission of Same Cafe is to create community through healthy food access. So here at Same, we believe that healthy food is a right, it's not a privilege, but we have a responsibility to make that accessible. And so we make it accessible through 3 distinct ways. So through donations of time, money, and produce.
We get deliveries every day of the week. The menu changes every single day. We believe that everybody deserves a healthy meal, and that includes people who may have dietary restrictions.
And so working with Denver Botanic Gardens over the last 10 years, it allows us to really think about what produce is grown here, how can we make sure that that reaches our community here on Colfax. And it also is really inspiring for our chefs because the Denver Botanic Gardens grows so many varieties of food.
So the work that we do here in the urban farms connects pretty closely to the work that's done at Chatfield Farms, in that we're growing food for the communities that we're in, and we're also growing it in an organic and regenerative way.